Hello student, welcome to second practical of subject computer peripheral and hardware maintenance. In second practical we see the identify and troubleshoot the motherboards. Okay, so in this practical we see the component motherboard, and motherboard consists of various components. That component we see in this practical. First of all, practical significance is a motherboard is one of the most essential part of computer system. The motherboard is a printed circuit board that is foundation of computer and located on the base side or the bottom of the computer chassis. Okay, then it holds the different components of computer, including central processing unit, that is CPU, then memory and connector for input and output device. So in this practical, student after this practical student will be able to identify the component of motherboard. Okay, so this is practical significance. Then program outcome of this practical is discipline knowledge and experiment and practice. Okay, so output of or course outcome of this practical is identify different components on motherboard. Okay, so let's see. First we see the various images of motherboard. Okay, so this is the top view of motherboard. Okay, in this there are various components are attached in motherboard, and we can connect external components also, that are memory, then processor, input devices, output devices, all are we can connect to the motherboard. This is the basic figure or diagram of the processor. Okay, then we can see the various component of motherboard. First is this there is slot to connect the processor. Okay, so at this slot we can connect the processor. Processor is so display like this. This is Intel processor. Okay, so this processor is connect to that part. Then next we see one by one various components. At this point we can, this is USB port, we can connect here various USB devices like pen drive or mouse, USB mouse. Okay, then next is the display port. Okay, display port used to connect the various monitor, various output device. Then next one is USB, USB 3, USB 2. These also are the USB port. Then HD audio. Here we can connect your headphones. Then next one LAN port. At LAN port we can connect the Ethernet cable. Okay, if you want to connect your computer system to internet, that time we use this port to connect Ethernet cable. Then PCIe slot. Okay, these slots are used to connect the audio cards, and the PCI slot program components like you can connect here video card, graphics card. Okay, then here these are the memory port. In the memory port we can connect RAM. Okay, so this is your RAM. This RAM is connected in that port. Okay, so that is called as, there are various types of RAM, DDR1, DDR2, DDR3. According to that the slot is given, and here we connect the RAM. Then next one, here is the your power supply. Okay, SMPS connection is connected to this port. Okay, then SATA 6GB. These ports are used to connect the hard disks. Okay, your computer hard disk is connected by this port. Okay, then CMOS cell. This cell is one type of battery, that is one cell, it connected to that port. which maintain your system clock. Okay, so these are the various components of motherboard. Okay, then next in your manual some assignment is given. One blank figure is there, and question is give the labeling to the image. Okay, so all of you perform this. And here a component of motherboard, the table is one table is given, in that component and use. These two questions are given in your manuals. So in this practical we see the various component of motherboard and use of the various components.